Introducing Infinite Ice, the electric icing and heating gizmo that lets you ice your joints, heat your muscles, and cool your drinks anywhere, anytime. What you see here is Infinite Ice, a simple device that can fit in your palm that provides infinite icing or heating. Let's start with the icing feature by switching it to the icing mode. This is the working surface. Notice the LED turns green, and watch the temperature of the working surface starts to drop. Muscle pain and joint pain are common inconveniences that we often attempt to remedy with icing or heating. While using heating pads and ice packs can be effective, they typically require hot water or freezer respectively, resources that may not be readily available when you really need it. Use of disposable instant icing and heating pads also cost money over time. Infinite Ice uses electricity to provide infinite icing or heating by employing solid-state thermoelectric technology. As long as electricity is provided, you can get infinite icing or heating to your preference with a simple flip of a switch. Note that the temperature of the working surface continues to drop as we speak. Infinite Ice uses 12-volt power that is readily available from the included laptop power supply or numerous alternative sources, such as car's cigarette lighter, car batteries, portable lithium-ion batteries, or solar panels. A fully charged car battery can provide 16 hours of icing or heating. The optional ice-powered lithium-ion battery can provide 4 hours of icing when fully charged. A battery is much easier to carry around than an ice chest full of ice packs. Infinite Ice also features an elastic strap with Velcro that allows you to affix it on the site of your injury, whether it is your arm, leg, knee, or shoulder. The working surface has an ultra-soft pad that conforms to the curvature of your body. You can also use it to keep your drinks cool by strapping your drink to the work surface, be it a Coke, beer, or wine. Let's give it a few more minutes for Infinite Ice to do its work. If you wait for another 5 or so minutes, it will drop below freezing temperature, and the lowest temperature I have seen is 24 degrees Fahrenheit. You can see the picture I took when it reached 24 degrees in the gallery. You will also notice that there's a little whispering sound, which is the fan that is working. So it is so quiet that you can barely notice the noise of the fan. Now you can see that the temperature has dropped below freezing temperature, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now it's 30 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's give it a few more minutes for it to continue to work. Now it's 27. Cooling is much more difficult and it takes much more energy than heating. So later on, when we switch to heating mode, you will notice the temperature rises much faster than this cooling mode. So now we are at 26. I think this should be sufficient to demonstrate the capability of infinite ice for cooling. Now it's 25. Let's give it another minute before I switch it to the heating mode. Alright, 24 degrees. If you wait longer, it may drop a little further, but I think this is cold enough for any icing needs or trying to keep your drink cool. So now let's switch to heating mode. Notice that the fan is turned off and the LED turned red in heating mode. And you will see how fast the temperature rises. It rises about 1 degree Fahrenheit per second. As a safety measure, we have a temperature control thermostat in there that will limit the temperature of the working surface to about 140 degrees Fahrenheit to prevent burning of your skin. Without the thermostat, we have seen the working surface goes beyond the boiling temperature of water, which is 100 degrees Celsius. So now you can see it's approaching the limit, and once it reaches about 140 degrees Fahrenheit, you will notice the temperature stops rising and it will oscillate around there. So you can see it's not rising anymore. It is staying around 114 and 113 degrees Fahrenheit. If the temperature drops a little further, you will notice it will start to rise again. So in theory, if we provide a temperature control option in the heating mode, you can change the limit to a much higher temperature so that you can use infinite ice to heat your coffee, for example. At this point, we are not ready to provide that option, mainly for the concern of the safety of the users, because we do not want anybody burn their skin accidentally when they forgot to set the temperature back to the lower temperature point. Okay, I think this has demonstrated the heating mode of infinite ice. We are kicking off a Kickstarter campaign starting on December 15th of 2016. Please search Infinite Ice on Kickstarter or visit elitethermalengineering.com to find the details of our campaign and the link to our Kickstarter project. Please share this news with your friends, and we hope to see you to join our campaign to be our backers. Thank you very much for watching the video.